Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. Video 2 in 2 days. The reason is, well, you know what I mean. No, you don't know what I mean? It's a good chance to know what I mean. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. I've got this here. This is a package that came all the way from Scotland, and it came from MMGP, which I believe, from memory, from watching another video, is Mr. Murray's Grooming Products. Graham Murray, who is the proprietor, the creator, the soap making aficionado, has sent a soap over and some beard balm for my massive beard that I don't have anymore. So I feel a bit shit from sending that, to be fair, but I'm actually going to use it as a post shave because I believe you use some fancy word, but I think basically what it means is it doesn't clog your pores, which doesn't create spots, which doesn't make your skin shit. So I'll probably try it as a moisturiser just to give it a go. Right. Now, I haven't prepared myself very well, so I need to get some sort of cutting implement. Okay, probably not the best cutting implement, but let's use a feather artist club. We'll do this gently so I can reuse the blade. So that's there. Right. Let's see if that works. If it doesn't, to be fair, I think I can just rip the box open. So let's put that on. Oh, there we go. Right, so we go for the same thing. Okay, so here we have a fantastic box with Asgard Casino Gentlemen's Products, and anything else written on here. We have got SS version Alden batch number 2, 20th of January 2024, and then the rest of the box actually looks pretty cool. It's not very often, actually, in fairness, that you get a shaving soap that comes in a box. It's just not something that happens very often these days. Well, I say these days. It's not something that happens very often in the time that I've been shaving. Am I missing something? Just give me a minute. No. Graham, I don't know what's happened, mate, but if there was an oil in here, it's now gone. I've got an empty box. I've got an empty box. I've got some empty wrapping. A little bit more of empty wrapping. This is actually quite nice, this wrapping stuff. And then 2 bits of bubble wrap. And that was all that was in there. So if it was in there, which I'm assuming it was, it's been taken out. And the box looks like it's pristinely packaged. Like there's nothing. How strange. Oh. Sort of works in well. I've shaved my beard off, but whatever's happened to it, I don't know, mate. I can only apologise that it's not in there. What I will say is that the label on this looks fantastic. Let me just get a bit of that glue off there. I'm a bit pedantic with stuff like that. The label is pretty spot on in the middle. Asgard Casino Alden. Grapefruit, black pepper and vetiver. And we have got some really nice labelling around the side as well. Soy and God, that's a massive amount of ingredients. stearic acid, water, cocoa, so coconut oil, potassium hydroxide, glycerin, butyrospirum parky, shea butter. I didn't even know that's what it's called. Sodium hydroxide, Garcinia indica, coconut butter, fragrance, kupuaku, seed butter, sodium lactate. God, so many butters in here. Right, let's crack it open. We've got, how many ounces is it? Is it in ounces? Is that how it's done? Oh, good old British, 114 grams. I've got no idea what that is in ounces. Now I will say one thing, Graham, you know, I'm a stickler, mate. If you watch me long enough, that label's a bit squinty, mate. Look at that. I know it's probably an easy fix. Oh, it's not an easy fix, these are bloody sticky. Oh well, you know what I mean, mate? I've got to pick up on the stupid things, me, and I can't help it. Been out of the game for so long, but you can't change me. Anyway, let's pop this open. Now, I did pop over to the store and had a little look at the scent notes on some of the soaps. One of my favourite scents at the moment, being winter, coming from summer into autumn into winter, is something that's still summery but very much a winter fragrance, which is Terdermis. And my God, that's what that smells like. Oh, what a scent. Not a super strong scent. Nice big tub of soap. I mean, that's it has shrunk a bit in the tub, which is not a problem at all, because I will literally, oh God, it's quite firm. God, that's good. I thought that was going to be quite like a cream. I'll just give it the old squishy, which I do with all my soaps when they come like this a little bit. It's just the heat and the cold and the actual soap itself losing its moisture that causes it to shrink, which is why generally if you have a tub of soap and you don't use it for a long time, it will shrink in the tub and you'll have a big gap around the side. And all you have to do is just literally, well, all I do is just get my thumb and just squish it to death all the way around the tub. And you get left with that. No gap now. And it smells fantastic, it smells really good. So that is that. Mate, I'm really sorry. That's that. I mean, obviously, it's out of my hands. I don't know what's actually happened. I don't know where it's gone. Excuse me. However, it has disappeared. Is it magic from the Asgard casino? I do not know. But no. Definitely 100% not in the box. No, sorry mate, nothing I can do with that. I mean, I do believe it was the exact same scent, so it would have been a beard oil that smelled like this, and I can't even use a beard oil at the moment, but I was going to use it as a moisturiser, unfortunately, after using this for a shave. So my next shave will feature Asgard Casino Odin shaving soap, made by, let me just double check this, MMGP, which is Mr. Murray's Grooming Products .shop. If you want to head on over there. Cruelty free. Oh, it's vegan as well. Oh yeah, so it is. Yeah, it's vegan. Of course it is. Very, very, very good scent to go with Terdermis, which will be probably my after or my finishing splash, or finishing aftershave afterwards. Alright, I'm going to pop that back in the box, ready for the shave, which will be on Sunday. As I said in my previous video, I'll probably do one shave a week on a Sunday. Try and rival old Mr. Paul H over there and give him a bit of competition from the other side of the world. Even though he does 2 shaves and has about another 2 channels and does really well. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you very much, mate. I hope I can do it justice. In fact, it's pretty much the first Scottish, in fact it's the first Scottish artisan soap that I'll ever use. I have used Castle Forbes, which isn't artisan, but pretty good stuff. This, I'm really looking forward to. The lathers that I've seen made with this online look really, really nice, and I'm looking forward to using it. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I say, I don't know where the oil's gone, mate, I'm really sorry. If you've got any questions or comments, put them down below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on Sunday for the shave. I may have another unboxing as well this week, but it might actually not be here until next week. Anyway, stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.